2012 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, CD changer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bed liner. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.